From the Women in Engineering Summits team at IEEE, hello Women in Engineering members and volunteers. Welcome to this tutorial on how to submit an application to host a 2024 WIE International Leadership Summit. My name is Nicole Berniker, WIE Conferences and Events Portfolio Manager, and I am here with Faith Wright, WIE's Program Coordinator. Together, we will provide instructions on how to complete the submission process, as well as provide pointers for developing a strong proposal.
To apply, start by visiting the Summits page on our website at wie.ieee.org. This can be found underneath the News and Events banner on our homepage. Here, a drop-down list will appear. Find top-tier events, then hover your cursor over International Leadership Summits to reveal ILS guidelines/information. Click this page. This is where you will find the foundational information for hosting an ILS, as well as the form to submit your proposal. Carefully read over the information present, including the fields on the submission form. These items together will provide you with the best knowledge of what should be kept in mind when brainstorming your summit details. Please note that a letter of recommendation from the section or region is required to be submitted with the form. Therefore, reaching out to the individuals from whom you will be seeking endorsement should be a first step before completing the other fields.
Here are 3 tips for a good application. Make sure you have the engagement of your local volunteers, WIE affinity groups, and student branches. The familiarity of your summit's volunteers to the community around them will help ease the planning process. On the application form, please make sure to identify the affinity group you will be working with and the relevant affiliation of each individual that will be on your organizing committee. This may include which section they are from and in what capacity/where they volunteer. The involvement of the local section volunteers provides the opportunity to cultivate effective team synergy.
Take note of where WIE ILS summits have been held in the past. A list containing this information can be found on our website on the International Leadership Summits page. One of the major considerations of our summit team is geographical diversity. Assuming all other factors constant, we seek to prioritize locations that have not previously held events in the past 3 to 5 years. The goal here is to maximize WIE ILS attendance opportunities for as many members as possible. This does not necessarily mean that an event proposed in a location already used will be rejected. Rather, it is encouragement to be conscious of the geographical history and seize the opportunity to host in a new location if the option is present. Considering the availability of local accommodations for transportation and lodging is also a key component for determining the event location.
Lastly, new organizers are encouraged to present ways in which their summit will address the needs of WIE membership in their area. WIE summits are intended to provide regional opportunities for networking, mentorship, training, and collaboration. Therefore, ask yourself, how will these channels and methods increase the membership value of attendees, or how will this event attract new members? Reflecting on the goal of your summit and communicating it clearly in the proposal will indicate a level of intentionality and passion that can translate into a successful event.
Ultimately, a good ILS application demonstrates intentionality, passion, creativity, and forethought. Be sure to present all information in an organized manner. All applications should be proofread and edited before submission to ensure accuracy and professionalism. The quality of proposed session topics, sponsors, and speakers will be heavily considered, particularly as to how they relate to the ultimate WIE mission and vision. As a global network, WIE seeks to facilitate the recruitment and retention of women in technical disciplines globally. WIE also envisions a vibrant community of IEEE women and men collectively using their diverse talents to innovate for the benefit of humanity. Applicants should seek to demonstrate their efforts to realize this goal. Good luck. WIE is excited to receive your application.